project. And now we have Raffaele.
Yes, it's my turn.
Yes, your turn. You're going to explain a very new initiatives that we set up, and it is an initiative on using digital humanities for the promotion and fostering knowledge about rural but also peripheral areas. Okay, so Raffaele, that's your turn now.
Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm Raffaele Manna, a PhD candidate at UniORNLP Research Group and a new research assistant in the Kinesis project. And today I will tell you about the DH4MA workshop organized with Professor Giovanna Monti, Antonio Pascucci, and Carola Carlino. The workshop DH4MA will be held in conjunction with the DH2023 International Conference in Graz from 10 to 14 July. And the objectives of the workshop aims to investigate the state-of-the-art of tangible and intangible heritage, digitization in marginal and rural areas and their accessibility. Furthermore, the workshop aims to investigate also digital humanities techniques that can be used to promote cultural heritage and to overcome the digital divide. The digital humanities is a field of study which aims to integrate computational and multimedia systems in the humanities disciplines. For example, for cultural heritage, one can imagine computer applications that can use the potential of augmented reality for cultural heritage data. Furthermore, with the digital humanities, one can build interfaces for cultural data management or system for spatialization of cultural information, or for populating digital library systems and linking heterogeneous data in a digital environment. The workshop, DH4MA, received a good response. In fact, the workshop received 7 proposals from different research teams and from different countries. 3 proposals, for example, came from Italy, 1 from Germany, 1 from India, 1 from Israel, and 1 from the Europeana Foundation. In this slide, we can see a word cloud. In fact, analyzing the titles of the proposal received, it's possible to discover the topics, and again, all the proposals are centered on the use of digital techniques to spread knowledge about cultural heritage. For example, digital maps can be exploited for an easier access and visualization of cultural information, as digital humanities technique can be exploited also to represent manuscripts digitally. Again, in this case, for the entire text of the proposal, again, the proposal focuses on the use of digital humanities techniques, which offer an opportunity to study and to promote cultural heritage located in different parts of the world through image, again, data, and borghi in Italian, which stands for a small village. And finally, the Kinesis project intends to edit a volume of conference proceedings able to share research experience and good practices from different research teams about the promotion of cultural heritage and higher accessibility of cultural heritage. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Raffaele. So yeah, we are looking forward